All right, Louis Sports Little Man Over Market, and this is a recap for E-mini trading on December 10th. Well, another down day. Imagine that. We just took off about 5,000 points from the high down to 22. Um, Hope I didn't get people screwed up in the afternoon call. I thought that as long as we stayed in value, that we had an opportunity to go back up and test here. I did say we'd have to get above the pivot, which was at 2051 or 20, yeah, it had moved down 2051. I'm sorry, it was here, 2053. And then, that would turn buyers. Now, as you can see, the pivot has stepped down and it's sitting at 2040. And that's where it's at right now. We were, in the morning we said that we was going to go down and test that 41 level. In fact, if you look at my YouTube video, 41 was the low, and we had all these lows, and we had big rallies off these lows, and it couldn't take it out. About a half hour, 20 minutes right before this market took out the 38s, I put out a post on Twitter saying that the market can't sustain rallies and that it was going to, go test 38, the value area low. And I didn't know, I thought that it'd be around, I thought it'd make a low between 38 and 37, 36. And sure enough, we took out yesterday's low and we went down and made a new low of 23. Some of the things I look at, this is a 4 hour profile. This ended up being about a point away from two times the initial balance period on a 4 hour basis. On a 4 hour basis. So here's some other bottoms we could be looking at for tomorrow. You got 25, 2025. You know, that's what I was looking at. Um, we got one right here at 24. This is kind of where it stopped. And then right here, we've got one at 21 even. 21 even. May, look at it, may test some overnight. We got a boatload of economic numbers tomorrow. Boatload of economic numbers. That's why I'm getting a little skeptical of this break. Not only is it, you know, doesn't make sense to me with Christmas 2 weeks away that they're taking 4,000, 5,000 points off of this. So tomorrow, what do we got going on? Jobless claims, retail sales, import export prices, Bloomberg Consumer Comfort Index, and business inventories, EI natural gas, and a bunch of bond auction. So that's what we got going with that. Um, Let me make a quick change on this so we can bring it back in. All right. So the mode closed the day down here at 26.25. We've got single prints from here, right here, from 40. What is that? Let's call it 37 even up to 39.75. And then we've got these, which is the converse of what we had the other day. And these are 2040, let's call it 2049 half up to 2054 quarter. All right. And this is an ugly high at, Globex, which was 2060. All right. So we've had some consolidation. Let's take a look at it. Let's go here and make this a day chart. Get a little confusing with all the lines I got drawn in here, but let's take a look at it. So, three lower days in a row, three lower days right before Christmas. We got some bottoms here. Okay, it shows support at 2020. All right. Is that the pivot? Oh, we got a day pivot at 2014 and a quarter. 2014 and a quarter. All right. Let me kind of recap today. All right. So, um, okay, from 8:30 on, we talked about the market. It was a sell from the opening bell, basically, uh, and we were talking about the market going down. If you look at my video, it says we're going to test the 2041 area, and 2041 ended up becoming the low, and it stayed there, and just basically from here bounced 900 points, from here bounced 600 points, and then kind of consolidated here. And right before the this happened, I basically said I think the market can't sustain rallies, and I'm looking for it to test the value area low. I don't know how much longer I was going to go, and low enough, it went not only through it, it went down to 23, another 700 points. Rallied back up to here, 35. Currently sitting at 27 or so, 26 to 27. It's closed right now. Um, the 5 minute pivot has now moved down to 2040. 2040. I have put these in for tomorrow. These are the single prints from basically 37 to 40. We got one single print at 2055 right there. I'm sorry. We've got the buying tail we showed 49 half up to 54 half, and then there's a one single print, just one tick at 2055. Well, we got a bunch of numbers tomorrow, and I guess the dealers and everybody, that's it. The market's done for the year. They're going to make their big bonuses. What do they care if it went down 5,000 points? So I don't think that we're done. It's going to keep going down. We're done. I don't know. To me, I'm such a skeptical pain in the ass. I've been doing this so long. This seems, I was expecting this the last, a couple weeks ago for them to take it off so they could rally it into Christmas. So we'll see what happens. You know, the mind-boggling things. I got a bunch of morons out there, and that's what they are, morons telling us how low oil is bad for the economy. All right, I don't know. I can't see it, but I guess I don't know what I'm talking about. So I didn't go to Harvard or Yale, and I'm not an economist that understands Keynesian economics to the point where how cheap oil is killing everything. Who knows? Who knows? You know what? Let's just trade the markets the way they go. All right. I'll talk to you later. See you in the morning. This is Louis Borstein on Man Over Market. Bye.